Hi everyone. Today I am going to deal with the part B question number 1. So here we can see that question number 1, the nature of the question. So it is a manual. So the manual informs us that the blood pressure monitor option A is likely to interfere with the operation of other medical equipment. Option B may not work correctly in close proximity to some other devices. Option C should be considered safe to use in all hospital environment. So from this, according to our father's strategy, the method used in the part B is question, answer, and text. So we have finished question. We found the hedging word as manual and blood pressure monitor, and the keywords in the answer options. So there are three answer options. The first one, interfere and other medical equipment. The second option, not work correctly and some other devices. And in the third option, considered safe and in all hospital environment. So from this, first of all, as per father strategy, we have to eliminate the option which has an absolute. So the meaning also should be an absolute. So option C we can eliminate. So now we have remaining two options only, option A and option B. When we come to the text, it's a the heading says that instruction manual digital automatic blood pressure monitor, and the subheading is electromagnetic compatibility EMC. The topic sentence, we can see that with the increased use of portable electronic devices, medical equipment may be susceptible to electromagnetic interference. This may result in incorrect operation of the medical device and create a potentially unsafe situation. In order to regulate the requirement for EMC with the aim of preventing unsafe product situations, the EN 60601-12 standard defines the levels of immunity to electromagnetic interferences as well as maximum levels of electromagnetic emissions for medical devices. This medical device conforms to EN 60601-12-2001 for both immunity and emissions. Nevertheless, care should be taken to avoid the use of monitor within 7 meters of cell phones or other devices generating strong electrical or electromagnetic fields. So from this, I have already told the question. In this question, the nature, it's a manual, and the heading word, the hedging word is the question. In the question is blood pressure monitor, and the keywords in the answer options I have already told. And first, the option with the absolute we can delete, that is option C. It can be eliminated. And from the topic sentence and the conclusion sentence, we can see that the use of portable electronic devices near the blood pressure monitor may cause electromagnetic interference. So option A is wrong because it says about other medical equipment. So when come back to the question, from the topic sentence as well as the conclusion sentence, we can understand the topic sentence say the use of portable electronic devices. Medical equipment may be susceptible to electromagnetic interference. And in the conclusion sentence, so after a transition word, nevertheless, care should be taken to avoid the use of monitor within 7 meters of cell phones or other devices. That means blood pressure monitor should be used 7 meters away from the cell phones and other devices. So in that way, when we come to option A will be wrong, and therefore option B is the right answer. Thank you.